Hey everybody, it's Donna, the Blissful Planner. Welcome back to my channel. I have a quick haul video for you today. This was a Black Friday special from Lynnerdesigns. And as you guys know, I am a huge fan of Lynnerdesigns. I have bought multiple times from her shop, and I think that she is super sweet, easy to deal with, and I never have an issue, never have a problem. Shipping is quick, and her stuff is beautiful, and it's affordable. So if you are a newbie or if you aren't, I highly recommend that you check her shop out. Most of her kits are full kits and they're $9.99. So I feel like for a newbie, if you want to go that route of doing stickers that are from a sticker shop and not out of a sticker book or not homemade stickers, that her shop is a really good place to shop. Okay, with that being said, and yes, I would give her 5 stars. She came out with this new, her stuff comes packaged, of course. You open it up and all this stuff's inside. Her shop came out with this new little, I'm going to move this stuff out of the way. This new little girl. And she reminds me of Mink because I wear my hair up like that. She's a little on the chubby side. And so am I, and I just think that she is gorgeous. Her name is Emma. This is one of her little icon girls. This one is the cleaning. Get a good shot of that. More cleaning. Okay, put these over here out of the way. This one is Happy Meal. Is that not the cutest thing ever? Look at that little pink bow. Look at the red bow. Love it. Okay. This one is chores, your laundry, and then you've got your iron, which, like I'm ever going to iron again. Not going to happen. But, you know. There's another one. I got several of these. Now, I really like this one because this was her mood tracker on Emma. I really like that with these googly eyes. That's how I look most mornings. So there's that one. There's 2 of those. And then, or 3 of those. Boy, I'm 4 of those. I must be super moody. And then we have the Planner Girl. Look at how cute she is. And the washi tape and the little tassels, the bows, hair. And I love that she's sitting at the desk. Is that not the cutest thing? All right, now let's get through these. Now, she had a lot of these individual ones that I really liked. This one's internet, which I would use also for planning. Rent, which mine is more of a mortgage, but it's not a mortgage through a bank, so I guess technically it's rent. I really like that. Sleep in. I love the little cushy pillows. I think those are cute with a little sleep mask. I do wear a sleep mask, so I thought that was super cute. Your cell phone bill, I think that's really super cute too. How many times can I say super cute? Okay. I know. I drive my own self crazy. Car payment. Yes, I bought a new vehicle earlier in the year. And my water bill. My electric bill. Look at those bulbs. I love those Edison bulbs. Those look so stinking cute. And then this one is just like planning. It doesn't have the little girl in it. It's so detailed. I love this. Whew. This room in here is so hot where I have the door closed because of the heater. Now I got a bunch of freebies. Whew, you could fry egg on my head. All right. This is my little extras, Christmas, winter sheet that you get. And then she gives you a 10% off code on your next order, which is super nice. And then this is a Black Friday freebie. Look at that. Puzzles, the music, the pajamas. I mean, you have a pajama day, ice skating, build a snowman, bake cookies, wrap gifts, hot chocolate, decorate, and game night. Is that not adorable? And then this is a freebie from Lynnerdesigns shop. It's that she included in my haul that I bought. It's a Black Friday freebie. She is on Etsy and Instagram, and that's Marlz, M-A-R-L-Z Designs all together. I love these colors of this blue. So you have all these little icon freebies from another shop. I think it's great that she's helping promote other people. This one is Bluebird Design Shop. And I love that it brings out a lot of the reds, that buffalo check that everybody's so in love with. And her shop is bluebirddesignsshop.com, and she's also on Instagram at Bluebird Design Shop. And that's design with no S, okay? Alrighty. And then this one is from JAC, Just Anna Creations. This is a Black Friday freebie. Love those wine glasses, because y'all know I love my wine. This is so cute, and her stuff is justannacreations.com, and on Instagram, Just Anna Creations. So check out these shops. I think it's super great that she put these in here. And one last freebie from another shop is Spark Planner Life. This is great, and she's on Instagram, YouTube, and Etsy. So check out these shops and give them some love, because, you know, these people are trying to start a small business, and I'm all about the small business. It's like, you know, when I had my giveaway, I used Lynnerdesigns because I felt like I would rather make her richer than a big corporation richer. I just feel like you really, especially in today's time, need to support your small businesses. All right, look at these. These are your little icons that you use to plan. There's one. And this one is, I think, the rose gold. This is the gold. I hope the camera's picking up how beautiful. Got another rose gold. Oops, upside down. Silver. Another silver. I love my bling. All right. Now, I bought this kit. This kit is called Snowflake. And I want you to look at how gorgeous this kit is. And it has everything you've ever wanted. Because I'm going to be doing some blue spreads. I'm also going to be doing a blue china spread with the blue flowers, sort of like a blue willow spread. So be watching for that in the coming year. This is going to be winter. I don't know what else to call it. Winter. Is that not gorgeous? I hope that you're seeing these are unfoiled. And you've got your task tabs. And I usually use this for like dinners or things throughout the week that you may need to notate. And then you have more. You have your little bows, and then more decorative stickers. This kit is amazing. You have your little bow washi, your heart washi, your habit trackers. These are great, bill do. And then you have, of course, your name tags there for different things that you might need to use it for, trash, etc. You have your quarter boxes, and you have your half boxes with different designs, little snowflakes on there. And then you have more to do, to clean, to buy, this, and all your to-do stickers on this sheet. And then you have your washi and your date stickers. And then you have your, this sticker usually goes at the very top corner in your taskbar. And then you have all of your decorative icons, your weekend sticker, and then your date dots. This kit is called Snowflake, and it's from Lynnerdesigns. She's on Etsy and Instagram. Please check her out. She is absolutely my favorite shop. And I have bought other stuff, and I love her. All right. I was running low. Folks, I bought everything she had. These are just your date tabs, okay? And she has them in a million different colors. I mean, look at these. These are going to match. I got every color, and these are going to pretty much match everything that you're ever going to plan with. from your pastels to your darker colors to your winters. I mean, to your rainy. I think this is really cute, like a rainy day planner. Look at that, those purples. I love this like olivey green. And then you've got more of the really light colors. I love these mauves and pinks, you know me. Loving my pink. And these are more going into a mauve, a deeper like a plum, and like a beigey color. And these are more of your seafoam greens and your greens, obviously. And these are corals, beige, and then like a gray. And these are, I think these are like powder coral and green. And then you have your very vibrant colors of your bright, bright pinky coral purple and that yellow. I love that. And then the last sheet is like a really pinky pink and your seafoam green and then your teal. So that was my haul from Lynnerdesigns. I really recommend her shop. I stand behind her 100%. She's great. I've been shopping with her for quite some time, and I have never been disappointed. She has always gotten a 5-star review. I am not sponsored, and I just think that her stuff is absolutely so cute, so affordable, and you got, on Black Friday, a super ton of freebies. I mean, wow, I'm so happy, and I spent under $50. Yes, I did. So just so you know, love her. I will link her below, and I hope you check out her shop. I hope you like this little mini haul, and be watching for a plan spread with this winter on it. Probably going to do that close to the week of winter, maybe in my Skinny Mini, and I'm also going to be doing one in my catch-all planner. So I've got lots of new videos coming up. I hope you enjoyed the haul today. I hope you have a blessed rest of your day. If you like this haul, please give me a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.